Let us look at this topic. Business functions, activities, and processes. I want to look at business functions, activities, and processes. Business functions, business activities, and business processes. So let's look at business functions. When we talk about business functions, we are majorly concerned about a number of units, sections, or departments that are being established in a given organization. By business functions, in a simple sentence, we can equate it with business departments, with various departments, various units, various sections, or what have you, which are said to be existing in a particular organization, and the purpose of which is to influence the direct production of goods and services in order to achieve broad organizational goals and objectives. So by definition, business functions can simply be described as the major functions or departments which exist within a given organization